Joel?
Yeah.
Grandma left the sandwiches in the fridge.
Who?
Grandma left the sandwiches in the fridge. Behind the Kool-Aid on top of the Tupperware container that has macaroni and cheese inside of it. She told me to call you, man.
Who is this?
Grandma left the sandwiches in the fridge. Behind the Kool-Aid, man. Hey, Grandma left the sandwiches in the fridge. I'm calling to tell you, man.
What?
Joel. Joel. Grandma left the sandwiches in the fridge, man. Are you still there?
Yeah, who's talking shit?
Nobody's talking shit. Grandma left the sandwiches in the fridge.
What is this?
Grandma left the sandwiches in the fridge. Don't you understand, Joe? There's sandwiches in the fridge. Behind the Kool-Aid. Next to the mac and cheese.
Alright, let me find out who this is and they're getting killed, because y'all talk shit about my grandma.